In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the tab name in Webflow. So the tab name refers to this up here. You can see this one's called Font Awesome. This says Webflow. So it's going to be able to change this on your site. So when someone clicks onto a specific page, it says the appropriate thing at the top. And you can change this to pretty much anything you want to. It really depends. So what we need to do is make sure that we are logged into our Webflow site like I am here. And you need to go across onto the left-hand side and go to where it says pages. What you need to do from here, find the page you want to go ahead and change this for. So let's say I want to do this for pricing. I'd go over to the little cog here. Now over here, this is going to be your page settings, and this is going to change all of the settings. And the one that we're looking for in particular is the title tag. You can see the optimal length is roughly 55 characters, so just take that into account. What we can do here, we can change this. So if we want to change it to, let's say, view our prices, for example, it's now going to say view our prices up there as opposed to prices. Or we can say something like and subscribe, and that's going to go ahead and change to that. What we can do from there is we can save it. And you might also want to go ahead and change it so you know which one it is. But what we can do from here is now if we go ahead and we preview it, if we actually shared it or published it and then we previewed it, we're going to see it's going to change it. So go ahead and publish it. We can now view it. If we go over to the pricing, you can see it says like and subscribe up there, just like that. So as you can see, it's pretty easy to go ahead and change. There's a few other things you can change about it, like, you can change your, other data here. But that's basically how you change the tab name. So if you enjoyed the video and found it useful, be sure to go down below and like and subscribe. Comment down below that it helped, and I'll see you in the next one.